Hey, it's Neha. Welcome back to my channel. If you haven't done so already, hit that subscribe button. Today we are making homemade fries. Doesn't this look super delicious? Let's get started. First thing is to preheat your oven at 425 Fahrenheit. So making your fries at home is super easy. All you need right now is your potatoes. And what I do with my potatoes is I keep it in cold water so that way it doesn't go black. You want to thinly slice your potatoes. So after chopping everything off, this is what I have here, and it's still in that cold water, and you want to drain it. There we go. And now bring it onto your tea towel here. And then just dry it a little bit. I rinsed off this bowl and I dried it as well. And then we'll keep the potatoes in here. And now comes the seasoning. Olive oil. You want about a tablespoon. Paprika. A teaspoon. Garlic powder. A teaspoon of this. Dried oregano. Salt, about 1/8, and pepper. And now for this part, you can use either parchment paper on your pan or, of course, a cooking spray. And then just dump this right on here. You want to cook it first for 15 minutes, and then after the 15 minutes, take it out, flip it over, and then put it back in the oven for another 15 minutes. And there you have it. Nice, delicious homemade fries. These are perfect for eating with burgers and pretty much anything that you want. If you like this video, please like, subscribe, and thank you for watching.